family, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you how I mix my red henna and dye for my hair. I am starting a henna journey. This is gonna be a try and error for me, so I hope this video can help anyone out there who wants to dye their natural hair with natural ingredients. My first process is to make a solution that we are going to use to mix our henna with. I'm going to make a tea with my organic hibiscus flower from the company Antonins. I'm using 1/4 cup of my hibiscus flower. This is 2 cups of hot water. I'm just going to add in the 1/4 cup of hibiscus flower into it. I'm gonna push that down, and then I got my green tea. I'm also going to be adding in I'm going to be adding in 6 bags of my green tea to my 2 cups of solution. And then I'm just going to let this sit down and steep for anywhere between 2 to 3 hours. You want your tea to be very strong. And I figured out that the color from the hibiscus flower is going to work well along with the red henna dye, so that I can be able to get a vibrant color from it. Along with my henna, I'm also going to be adding in Camel Organics hibiscus powder. Remember, we used the hibiscus tea for the solution, but this one is the powder. I just love it when I'm using all natural ingredients on my hair. And look at that hibiscus color, it looks so satisfying. I'm gonna add in 2 tablespoons of that, and then I'm going to mix it up with my henna and then start to pour in my hibiscus tea. In my hibiscus tea until I got the consistency that was right for me. I do not like my mixture to be too thick, that is very difficult to apply to the hair. And I also do not like it to be running because that causes a lot of mess all over. So I'm happy with this consistency. I'm just going to cover it with a cling wrap. It is now 9:30 p.m. at my end. I'm gonna leave it overnight and then I will apply it to my hair tomorrow.
Stop spending time with the wrong people. Life is too short to spend time with people who suck the happiness out of you. If someone wants you in their life, they'll make room for you. You shouldn't have to fight for a spot. Never ever insist yourself to someone who continuously overlooks your worth. And remember, it's not the people that stand by your side when you're at your best, but the ones who stand beside you when you're at your worst that are your true friends. Stop trying to be someone you're not. One of the greatest challenges in life is being yourself in a world that's trying to make you like everyone else. Someone will always be prettier. Someone will always be smarter. Someone will always be younger. But they will never be you. Don't change so people will like you. Be yourself, and the right people will love the real you. Stop trying to hold on to the past. You cannot start the next chapter of your life if you keep rereading the last one. Stop being scared to make a mistake. Doing something and getting it wrong is at least 10 times more productive than doing nothing. Every success has a trail of failures behind it, and every failure is leading towards success. You end up regretting the things you did not do far more than the things you did. Stop getting involved in relationships for the wrong reasons. Relationships must be chosen wisely. It is better to be alone than to be in bad company. There's no need to rush. If something is meant to be, it will happen at the right time, with the right person, and for the best reason. Stop rejecting new relationships just because old ones didn't work. In life, you'll realize that there's a purpose for everyone you meet. Some will test you, some will use you, and some will teach you. But most importantly, some will bring out the best in you. Stop trying to compensate against things that are not there. And stop trying to compete against everyone else. Don't worry about what others are doing better than you. Concentrate on beating your own records every day. Success is a battle between you and yourself only. I just have to repeat this. This warrants a repeat. Stop trying to compete against everyone else. Don't worry about what others are doing better than you. Concentrate on beating your own records every day. Success is a battle between you and yourself only. Life is too short to spend time with people who suck the happiness out of you. If someone wants you in their life, they'll make room for you. You shouldn't have to fight for a spot. Never ever insist yourself to someone who continuously overlooks your worth. And remember, it's not the people that stand by your side when you're at your best, but the ones who stand beside you when you're at your worst that are your true friends.
Okay, family, I hope you enjoyed the little words of encouragement from a wise man. I'm gonna leave this on my hair overnight, and then tomorrow morning I will wash it out. I'm just going to end this video here, and then in my next video I will show you guys the result. If you love this video, please do not forget to give me a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.